Yo YouTube, what is going on? Code Freak back again, and today I've got a special video for you because I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get free Steam gift card codes in 2024. These are free Steam gift cards are worth, I think, around $100, which is more than enough for you to purchase a game or two from the Steam store. It's super easy. This is a redeemable code, so make sure you follow the instructions, and I'm going to show you how to get it. So use your mobile phone. So you can see here I'm using an iPhone, and it's just an old crap iPhone. But open up the internet and go to www.wavycoupons.com. So make sure you go to this website here, Wavy Coupons. Now, when you hit this website, go to the search bar and type in Steam. And you're looking basically for the Steam gift card codes and coupons page you can see here. Also recognizable by the Steam logo, the black and white logo. So anyway, click on that page. Now you can see there is a $100 free Steam gift card code available for us. Verified one day ago, and it's been used a ton of times. So to get yours, guys, click on show coupon. Now you need to unlock your personal code. Obviously these are pretty valuable, $100 to be exact. So there is a process where you need to unlock your personal code. So to do that, you need to tap unlock code. Now I've done this loads of times, so I'm not going to do it. But basically, guys, when you click on unlock code, you're going to see a new screen appear, and is going to tell you how to unlock it. It takes a couple of minutes. You need to complete 2 free tasks, and it's going to basically verify you as a real person, and then it's going to go ahead and unlock your Steam code. And then once you get your code, you can redeem it in the Steam store, and it's going to give you $100 balance. So go to Wavy Coupons, guys. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, of course, you can either DM me or leave them in the comment section below. All I ask is you hit that like button once you get your free Steam code to show everyone this works. And yeah, have a great weekend. Peace.